Hello, thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, my name's Liv, and today's practice is a really quick stress buster. It's a great way to help calm the mind, helping you feel more balanced and more focused by the end of this. So get yourself comfy. You can be sat down, wherever is comfortable, in your bed, in a chair, wherever you are. Just sitting up nice and tall through the spine, or you can even try this one lying down if you'd prefer. So get yourself comfy, and when you're ready, we'll get started. So the technique that we're going to be using is alternate nostril breathing. I'm going to give you two versions of this. One, the more traditional version, where we're breathing alternately through each nostril. But sometimes we find that we're not able to breathe through each nostril individually, or for some of us it can feel quite anxiety-inducing, this kind of restricted breath through the nostrils. So I'm going to give you an option where we're just breathing normally and we'll use our hands instead. So the first option, we're going to try the more accessible one, so you can just see how it feels. And might be new to some of you if you're already familiar with the more traditional version. So we're going to bring our hands just to rest on the knees or in the lap, palms facing up. And we'll just start here, maybe closing the eyes or softening the gaze down towards the floor. Just taking some nice big inhales and exhales. Feel free, if it feels nice, to sigh it out through the mouth on your exhale. Already starting to let go of whatever you've got going on for you today. Encouraging the breath to feel expansive in the torso, so pushing the belly out, pushing the ribs out to the side, really inviting the air deeper into the lungs. Good, and then you can return to your natural rhythm of breath. And then we'll start with this alternate breathing. So what we're going to do here is use the hands instead of closing each nostril. So we're going to open our right palm, close our left palm, take an inhale here, slightly pausing at the top just for a second so that you can close your right palm and open the left, then exhale. Inhale just like this. Pause, close left palm, open right palm, exhale. Inhale here. Close right, open left, exhale. Inhale here. Good. Close left, open right. Good. And we'll pause there. So in this version, we're using the hands opening and closing just like we would with the nostrils. So notice what that was like for you. I'll give you a chance after I've gone through the more traditional version to actually spend some time doing it by yourself. But the other version of this, we're going to bring our two peace fingers just to rest in this space between the eyebrows. And we're going to close our left nostril, leaving our right nostril open. And inhale here. Good. Pause and switch over. So right nostril closes, left opens, exhale. Inhale here. Pause, close left, open right, exhale. Inhale here. Close right, open left, exhale. Inhale. Close left, open right, exhale. Good, last time, inhale here. Pause and switch, exhale. Good, and then you can release that right hand down. Just notice how that was for you. So you can see that you need to have quite clear airways for this, which we don't always have. So the first version that we did is a great alternative because you get that same activation of switching between the left and the right side of the brain by swapping your hands over. A little bit of a mind puzzle, this one as well, which keeps you focused on the breathing. Choose which version you want to do, and we're just going to spend about 2 minutes practicing whichever one that you're going for today. So I'm going to keep my hands on my knees, so I'm a little bit bummed up. And then when you're ready, closing the eyes or just softening the gaze down towards the ground. We'll start by closing the left side, so whether it's your hand or your nostril, and then inhale here. Pause and switch, exhale. Inhale. Pause and switch, exhale. Inhale. Pause and switch, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Switch. Exhale. And now continue by yourself. If you need to change the rhythm, if that was too fast or too slow, feel free to find a rhythm that works for you. Just remembering to switch over at the top of your inhale. Good. Take 2 more rounds, so 2 full breaths. And then you can let go of this practice, but you can keep the eyes closed or softened. Just return to your natural rhythm. And just take stock of how you're feeling now. See if you can notice any sensations through the body. Good, and then you can slowly start to blink the eyes open, or take a nice big stretch here, reaching the arms up. Reach all the way through to the fingertips, give them a wiggle, maybe looking up towards the sky. Good, and then rolling the wrists as the arms come back down by your sides. Good, you can take some shoulder rolls, maybe moving the neck a little bit, some cat-cows through the spine. Good, and then we'll finish here, extending the arms out wide, opening up through the chest, and then bringing the arms around you. Give yourself a big hug, dropping the chin down towards the chest. Send yourself a little bit of love here. So thank you for showing up today. Thank you for showing up for yourself. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye.